many times have you noticed pop-up cards in the shops? Fascinating, aren't they? They give you a surprise when you open them up. Maybe you've seen pop-up books as well, or maybe you've had them at home. You open them up, here's a Christmas story, and pictures appear to pop up, and the whole thing looks as if it's in 3 dimensions. Here's another Christmas story, and this time not only do things pop up, but they appear to fly through the air. There's Santa and his sleigh. You can make pop-up cards yourself, and it's easier than you think. All you need are some pieces of cardboard and some coloured pens and a pair of scissors. Here's how you do it. You start off with a piece of cardboard and you fold it in 2 very carefully. Make sure the edges meet, like this, and then press down the folded part with your fingernail, like that. Make sure it's as flat as can be. Then fold it over in halves again, like this. Once again, press it down flat. Then open the whole thing out. Now, the section that's going to pop up needs to be roughly in this section here. For example, if we want to have a circular part that pops up, we could draw it in roughly there. We're going to cut away the top section of the card that isn't needed. And then with the scissors, we simply snip along that line, the fold line actually, just inside the black line that I've drawn. Then I can snip up around the inside of that black semicircle, like so. And you can see that we could easily make that into a face that pops up, and then cut away the rest of it. There's the basic part of your pop-up card. Now, the folding part is very, very important. What you have to do as you close the card is to push it down, push that pop-up part down, so that it tucks down inside the card itself. There we are. Now you can see that you have an angle that's usually about 45 degrees that gives it away. It tells you that it's a pop-up card, but when you open it up, the bit pops up in the air like that. So, for example, if you want this to be a get well card, you could write something on the front such as sorry to hear that you're sick, and then when you open the card up, you could turn that circular part there into a big face that's smiling at your friend to make them feel happier. Well, I've done that already on another card, taken a little bit more care over it, and this is how it ended up. It starts off by saying, sorry to hear you've been sick, and then when we open it up, watch what happens. Up pops the smile face, and it says, smile, you'll feel better. That card was made in just a few minutes with some coloured pens. The trouble is, that angle at the corner gives it away. If anyone knows anything about pop-up cards, as soon as they see that, they think, something's going to pop up and give me a surprise. It'd be better if you could disguise that, mask it in some way. A couple of ways you can do that. Here's one way. Believe it or not, this is going to be a pop-up card. No giveaway signs on the top corner. What I've done is to use cut-out pieces inside. Can you tell what it's going to be? It's going to be a Christmas card. And there's the Christmas tree, which is a separate piece of green cardboard, and I've folded it the same way so that the tree pops up in the air. All I need to do is to glue or tape that down to the card itself. In the flat position like that, make sure that it pops up in the position you want it to end. There it is, tree, stem and the pot down below. When I fold the card, look what happens to the tree. Disappears inside, nowhere to be seen. You can write Happy Christmas on the front, and then when it opens up, the tree pops up in the air. You can write your message here and draw your little pictures. So we've disguised the fact that it's a pop-up card. And here's another simpler way to disguise a pop-up card. You start with a sheet of cardboard, and instead of folding it in halves, you actually fold it in 3. Fold it across once, and then you fold it back like this. Now, what happens here is you put the pop-up part in between sections number 2 and 3. The bit at the front will hide everything, and you pull it apart like that and you get the section popping up there. For example, here's a birthday card that's made in this way. It says on the front, it's your birthday, so ... and what you do is grip it on the left there and the right there, and you pull it apart, and the pop-up part takes you by surprise. It says celebrate, and in this case I've got a whole lot of balloons that are floating up in the air. Right? Hidden, pops up. Those are just a few ideas for the hundreds of cards that you can make for your friends.
I want to know. Curiosity.